With our Desert Armor tent, we custom designed our hinges to support the folding part of the tent while the dog ramp is in use. This is one of the ways that you can assist your dog getting up in the tent, by putting a cooler underneath it so that it's less of an incline. To get our dogs up in the rooftop tent using the Doggo Ramp, usually we bait them with treats. Ready? Go get it. Ready? Go get it. Looking for the treat. Hawkeye, I have a treat right here. Come on. Yeah. Good boy. Way you can do it if you're a single person and you only have one person camping with you, throw your treat up, have your dog go get it. And then the other way, you can have one person sit up there with the treats so that they can call them. Maybe they feel like a little bit more comfortable if they have someone in there.